Hello scholars. Today we are starting chapter number 18, India, Villages and Panchayat. India is largely an agricultural country and most of the population lives in villages. Do you know what is a village? A village is a clustered human settlement or community larger than a hamlet but smaller than a town, with a population typically ranging from a few hundred to a few thousand. The lifestyle and surroundings of the people of the villages are different from those living in the cities and urban areas. The percentage of rural population is 68.7%. Most of the Indian villages are small and scattered. Their population is also in few hundreds. Generally, the houses are made up of mud and are called Kacha house. Many villages are not connected with Pakka metalled roads. The modes of transportation are bullock cart and camel cart. A few Indian villages are large. Such villages have huge population. These villages provide all the facilities to fulfill the requirements of their people. They have all facilities like primary and high schools, health care centers, post offices, local shopping places, police chowkis, and village cooperative banks. All these facilities are provided by the village administrative unit, which is called village panchayat. Let us know what is village panchayat. The village panchayat is an agency which looks after the needs of the villagers. Their important needs are clean drinking water, electricity, schools, dispensaries, and drainage facilities. These are the civic amenities looked after by the panchayat or the Gram Sabha. There are 6,38,596 of villages in our country. They have panchayats or the Gram Sabhas. The word panchayat means a committee of 5 persons or elders, including one women member. The members of the panchayat are known as Panch. They are elected by the people of the village who are more than 18 years of age. These members are elected for a period of 5 years. The elected members among themselves elect their pradhan or sarpanch. Let us study about the functions of the village panchayat. The village panchayat makes suitable arrangements for the cleanliness of the village, digging wells to provide clean drinking water, lighting on roads and streets at night, construction and repair of roads inside the village, running of the primary schools, running of the adult education centers, providing medical help to the sick persons, settling disputes among the villagers, and helping the villagers in controlling the diseases. The Gram Panchayat appoints a Gram Sevak or Sevika to help the villagers. Gram Sevak or Sevikas are the people who guide the villagers to improve their living conditions. All the villagers must help the panchayat for various developmental works. Village panchayat needs money to do all these functions. It gets money through taxes on fairs, shops and houses. It also gets money in the form of grants from the state government. Grants are the financial help provided by the state government to the village panchayat. Cooperative societies. In recent years, cooperative societies have been formed as institutions working for the welfare of their members. They do not have the authority of local self-government units like the village panchayats, but they do provide many services to the people. A Farmers Cooperative Society provides assistance to the farmers. Cooperative stores sell many essential things at cheap rates. They also sell school books and other stationery items. Government is also taking many steps to strengthen the cooperative movement. Cooperatives are found in villages, towns, and cities. They are familiar with the people living in the area. Thus, they are more efficient to provide better services to the people. Now, we have reached to the end of the chapter. So, let us revise what we have studied in chapter number 18, India, Villages and Panchayats. In this chapter, we have studied that in villages, the Panchayat looks after the needs of the people. The members of a village Panchayat are called the Panches. The Panches elect their Pradhan or Sarpanch. The village Panchayat provides basic facilities like clean drinking water, electricity, primary school, and repairing of roads. Panchayat gets money to do these works through taxes on shops, fairs, and houses. State government also gives money for these purposes. In recent years, cooperatives have been found in the villages which work for the welfare of its people. I hope you have understood the chapter properly. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your written work of exercises, question answers and worksheet. Thank you.